Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Onaise Cayenne Pepper Cleanse review. So, what is Onaise here? Onaise is a liquid drop supplement positioned to support circulation, blood pressure, and general cardiovascular health, built around cayenne pepper as a core ingredient, alongside beetroot, turmeric, hawthorn, and vitamin K2 and D3. Some listings also include Ceylon cinnamon, organic Panax ginseng, and berberine extract. Now, the maker frames this around cayenne's capsaicin content, described as supporting circulation and acting as a mild vasodilator. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, according to them, you take 2 ml daily, either placed directly under the tongue or mix into a food or beverage. Now, generally recommended in the morning before meals. Each 60 ml bottle is listed as providing about 2-month supply at that dosing. The site notes that it isn't meant to be stopped out abruptly if someone has been managing blood pressure readings with it. Gradually reducing it use as readings stabilize is the stated guidance here. And it specifically advises or checking with a doctor first for anyone taking blood thinners or potassium sparing medication, since cayenne and some of the other ingredients can interact with those. Now, on the pricing side here, a single bottle is listed at around $36, with a buy two get one free bundle at $76 and a buy three get two free bundle at $114, all with free shipping included. Now, it's also available through Amazon under a few different product listing variations, and purchase comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And the official site notes that the formula is sold exclusively through Onaise rather than in stores. But that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.